Hello and welcome. My name's Marie and this is my yarn journey. Keeping it real here. I've just done my workout and I wanted to get this video recorded so I could get it edited for you, so you know, real life and all that. Today's video, apologies for the train, today's video is going to be a deep dive into my knitting related likes on Instagram. We all like to nosy at what everybody else is doing these days, don't we? So I thought this would be a nice... Oh, sorry about that. Right, I better just turn my... Now, I said keeping it real at the beginning of the video. I really was meaning I was keeping it real today, wasn't I? That was accidental. Anyway, I should have got that ready before I started recording, really, shouldn't I? But hey ho, no harm done. I am going to bring up my likes on Instagram, if I can find them, because they like to keep them really well hidden in the menu. Okay, so there is quite a few yarns, quite a few socks, and yeah, so I'll just start with the beginning. What I'll do is I'll take little screenshots of... I don't know what's going on today, but I think my brain is having a malfunction because I keep pressing all the wrong things. Does anyone else know how to get rid of whoever that person is that talks to you on your iPad? Anyway, I'm just going to ignore it.
Here's what I've...
Oh dear, this isn't going well, is it?
Okay.
Right, it's gone away. It's gone away. Do another screenshot just in case. Right, let's get on with the video. So, I'm going to do, I think, around 10. We shall see. So the first one, and this is one that I think I liked yesterday or today, and it's an absolutely, you'll be able to see it up here at the side, but it's an absolutely gorgeous sock set from Ruby and Rose's yarn. I would be ordering from Ruby and Roses all the time. They have loads of colourways that I absolutely adore, but unfortunately they're in America, so I haven't yet ordered anything from them. I do just try my best to be good, but I do drool at them in my feed on Instagram, and this is called Mistletoe Mixer, and you can see it there on the image, knit up into socks, and they, to me, just look beautiful. I want those socks in my box of socks. Okay, and the second post is Zaneteknits, I think that's how you say it, or Zaneteknits, and this is a designer that I have, well, it might be, there might be a couple now who are doing this sort of, I don't know what type of heel you call this, because I don't know the name of it, but it's where you have a triangle shape underneath your foot rather than having the triangles on the side. And these one here, I just love the colour and the pattern of them. I don't know if I'm up for colour work socks right at the moment, but this pair is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure I will do them again in the future, but with my tension issues, it's kind of put me off quite a bit. And The third one is Sock Obsession Yarns. That's another American hand dyer that I drew like constantly in my queue. 95% of what she dyes up I love, and this colourway is stunning. I absolutely love that. It's just my colours totally. And if you're watching and you fancy gifting me that Sock Obsession yarn, feel free to, because I love it. But again, American dyer, so I do try to be careful with what, you know, I try to stick with buying in the UK if I can. So if any UK dyers out there fancy dyeing up something similar to this, that would be nice. Not that I've got that kind of influence on my small channel, but you know, girls can dream. Yeah, Sock Obsessions I've been following for absolutely ages. I mean, she does, well, I'm presuming it's a she, it could be a he. Whoever the dyer is behind that brand, they do fantastic colourways. Also in a very similar theme, and you will, again, this is Sock Obsession, so no surprises, but this is a fluff that she dyed up that's beautiful. And I'll make sure I just take a screenshot of that one for you. I'm not sure if I got the other one actually. What is that colourway called actually? Monochromatic Lavender. Even the name is perfect. Do you know what I'm saying? Hopefully my my liked posts on Instagram don't get you all following, and I'm not adding to your yarn stash in a bad way. I'm sure as knitters or crocheters or yarn users, everybody's doing this. It's not just me, and it's you know, drooling over all these. It's hard to know which ones to actually buy, isn't it? Okay, Rose Hill Yarns. Now I can't remember where she's from actually. Let's see if I can find out by going onto her profile. Calamar, Alberta, so I'm presuming that is America, but my geography is terrible, so feel free to correct me in the comments. But again, she's another one that recently she's been doing some absolutely stunning colourways, and the one that I'd actually liked here is Cherry Cordials, but that's the main image on the page, and there's also Sleigh Ride. And to be fair, there's one called Gingerbread that I think Mona would absolutely love. Just her sort of thing. And you know what? There's one that would be lovely in a garment if you like a beige neutral, which is called Frosted. And I'll just take a screenshot of those two so that I can show you them. I think that was the last one. And that's called the Nordic Winter Fade. So they are made to work together in a fade. So I'll just tell you the name of all of them. So it's Cherry Cordials, which I really love, Sleigh Ride, Gingerbread, Tinsel, which is not my cup of tea because it's got yellow in it, and Frosted. And then I had to like East Anglia Yarn Festival, as you know, me and Mona hoping to visit in March, and I think tickets go live on Saturday, so don't buy them all because I want a ticket. And then I've liked lovely reel of Amanda from Birch and Lily with her baby bump, showing off her finished Daft Days cardigan, which, to be fair, that's why I was inspired to use a dark grey as my main colour, because it was her version that inspired me to do that, and the colours in hers are beautiful. And then there is the Seasons of Colour Yarn Club by Castleview Yarns. That's a UK dyer. And this is the December, January and February club. And the beautiful colours in this one. Oh no, not again. I keep pressing that button and setting off Siri or whoever it is. Right, yeah, so it's her clubs, which the colours are lovely. So we've got December, January and February. The February looks very, very nice, like a frosty pinks. So yeah, they caught my eye. And then this one is the red Christmas top that caught my eye. And I can't remember if I actually showed you a picture of this, but I'll take a screenshot and I'll put it up on the side of the screen. So it's the Late Summer Dream Tee that I just knit by Siv Kristen Olsen. And I saw this red version and I just was like, oh, I'd love one of them for Christmas, but there's no way right now that I am going to get that done for Christmas. So no chance. I'm tempted to cast it on, but I really don't want to, because I'll feel under pressure then to get it done. And in December, I want to enjoy knitting on my blanket and just doing bits here and there on my calm down cardigan and keeping it nice and chill. I will be quite busy with work, so yeah, I don't want to cast on anything new, but that was definitely so very, very tempting. And then there's always stuff on my liked feed from my creative garage during Vanessa. And Vanessa had put a post on about doing the a couple of patterns from Summer Lee for socks. And she had shown one of her mini sets, and it's called Confetti. And that's if you like bright colours. And to be fair, her colourways are a very, very good match for some of these patterns. I'm surprised they haven't done some sort of collaboration or something. And surprise, surprise, no surprises, or surprise, surprise. The next one is a beautiful sock set. Very similar colours to the set I got last time, and I think the mini looks similar. And this is yeah, just showing that she has some sock sets in the in her shop, and stuff in that can still be bought for Christmas gifts. Something else random that I'm just gonna mention from my liked list is this absolutely stunning made with felt, I think, Christmas decoration. Now I think this is absolutely stunning, and I've been following this particular, and what I'm going to do is just take a picture of her feed so that I can show you that, because she does some absolutely stunning tree decorations, all like stuffed felted. They're like little animals, and they're just beautiful. Now she doesn't actually she's from Switzerland, and unfortunately she doesn't ship to the UK, because when I found her last year I would have ordered some. But if you know of anyone who does something similar in the UK, that would be fantastic. I just think that absolutely oh, and I've got to just show you this one last thing. And if you want to knit me these, you can do. So this is a pair of socks, very festive socks, and right up my street. And the knit, actually, they've been knit on this sample with Vilcolana Arwetta, which is a stunning yarn that I absolutely love. And it's, oh my days, I'm not going to be able to say the name, but you'll see it on the screenshot. It's this says Christmas Tree Socks for Adults is finally out, so it's quite a new release. And they match Christmas Tree Junior, so they have a junior version of this pattern, and they're in English on Ravelry. But how stunning are they? I mean, Christmas trees, love hearts, red, green, white. They're just perfect, aren't they? It looks like they've knit toe up, actually. Yeah. But if I get back into colourwork socks, I will have to do some of those for next Christmas. Anyway, it's quite short and sweet today, but I just wanted to pop on and do this little extra video for you, so you could have a bit of a nosy on what's on in my Instagram likes at the moment. 99% knitting content anyway, so there wasn't, knitting and food is about all I tend to have on there, and the odd meme. But if you've got any things that you've seen popping up, yarn dyers, yarns out, things that other knitters will be interested in, feel free to spam up the comments with all that, and we can all have a look at what everyone else is looking at. Make this a community feeling. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.